Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for rent in Panorama, Parow, Western Cape, South Africa for R30,000. Stylish open-plan living. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2 of which have modern ensuite bathrooms with an extra-large family bathroom. The house offers an open-plan lounge and dining room. Modern kitchen fitted with gas oven and hob. The lounge leads onto a large pool and outside braai area. There is large upstairs office study area with beautiful wooden flooring. The house is fitted with security beams, aircon points, alarm and intercom system. Don't miss out on this stylish home. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.